Namaskar, Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel ke swagata, and this is a grammar related video. In the last video we learned about the opposite words. We learned few opposite words. In this video also we'll be learning few more opposite words and also few simple sentences we can frame for those words. So first word yadu, the first word is front. Front, which means munde, and the opposite is back, which is hinde. So your sentence can be munde banni, come forward, hinde hogi, go back or move back. Okay, next one yadu. The next one is laugh, which is nagu, cry, which is alu. So don't cry is alabeda, don't laugh is nagabeda. So you can just add neenu alabeda, neenu nagabeda. Okay. Next one we have novu, which is a pain, and the opposite is nalivu, which is happiness. Okay. Novu ide. Okay. And nalivu. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಲಿದಾಡಿದರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಲಿದಾಡಿದರು. Happily they enjoyed. So ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಲಿದಾಡಿದರು. Okay. Next one is straight, which means ನೇರ, and straight opposite is crooked, is vakra. Okay, the sentence is ನೇರ ಬನ್ನಿ, come straight, ವಕ್ರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಬೇಡ, ವಕ್ರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಬೇಡ, don't walk in a crooked way. Okay, next one, ಹೌದು, yes, and ಇಲ್ಲ is do. So I want you to frame the sentence with this one because it's very simple. Okay, haudu and illa. Next one is sink or drown, which is mulugu, and float is telu. Okay, mulugitu, ship mulugitu, nanu telide, I floated. Okay, next one, ಮುಂಭಾಗ. So this one I can say front side. Okay, ಹಿಂಭಾಗ is a back side. Okay, so ಮುಂಭಾಗ, ಹಿಂಭಾಗ, just like the front and back. Okay, ಮುಂಭಾಗ, ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ, there is a place in the front. ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ garden ಇದೆ. So there is a garden in the backyard or the back side. Okay. Next one. Next one is there. We have a day, which is belagge, and night, which is ratri. So this one also I want you to frame the sentence. Try to frame the sentence belagge and ratri. Okay. I think we have done the far and near, alva. Yes. We'll go for the next one. We have done the up and down also, I guess, in the last section. So we have not done the up and down. Okay, we'll do the up and down. Up is mele, down is kelage. And for this one also, I want you to write the sentence because it's very simple. Okay. The next one is swarga, heaven, and naraka, which is hell. ಸ್ವರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವರು ಇದೆ, ನರಕದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಕ್ಷಸರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಕ್ಷಸರು is a demon, ದೇವರು is a god. So I want you to make a sentence, write a sentence. I have told the sentence, try to frame the sentence, try to write down that sentence. And if you know any other sentences, you can try it. Okay, so please memorize all these words, which is very, very important, and try to frame the simple sentences. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more video, the opposite words video, very soon. Namaskara, dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, and words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.